Hello. It's the end of our exterior environment replacements. It's quite a big block, surprisingly big. It's only also, remember, it's part of our tutorial section. So I tried to find some common mistakes and try to explain you how to avoid them. There are not so many of them that's are replicatable and easy to explain or easy to avoid, but let's talk about wrong engine selection. So this was the example. As we remember, we were pasting our reference image and connecting to our main image, and we just simply selected the wrong engine. So for me, Flux 2 Pro was better option, and I don't think it was okay. So simply remember that correct engine selection after testing is very important. Here it was also the second problem for me was that reference image is still on my final result, and that's quite strange. I don't like it. So time to time it's appearing, and generally you can also add some information to your prompt, like don't put on the final image my reference image, but it's difficult to avoid 100%. But adding extra information that don't put this image to my final result will be okay. It can help you to avoid, you will get less % of negative results. Also, one of the negative results, it was for the C-Dream and other engines, not NanoBanana, about changing camera angle. I think that, as I mentioned, NanoBanana Pro and NanoBanana, they have already a built inside information that they are building your prompt, and you'll have, it will automatically add inside information that it should not change the camera angle, etc. But in the C-Dream, generally, you need, I think, to paste this information. And when we put this information that don't change the camera angle, we received quite good results. We tested different options, and when we pasted this information, it was okay. It was really okay. Also, one of the problems for me was wrong understanding of prompting. Even in the NanoBanana Pro, it was about similar houses to this one, left and right side. It was not understanding what I'm talking about. So when you want to try more precise prompting, you can also connect this prompting with the rendering on the regions. So yeah, I think it's an interesting option. Time to time, it's simply just not working. I'm just connecting first and last frame, and I received this result. It's like it was a source image, so nothing changes at all. But as I mentioned, it's like only 12% of the mistakes with NanoBanana, so it's not a common mistake. Here it was also wrong style understanding, but it was, as you see, with one node, so it had no reference images, only prompting. So yeah, at a single family house from the second photo, yeah, but I was not putting a second photo, so it's like 50-50, a little bit my mistake, a little bit the mistake of AI. And this is the most common mistakes. Also, one of the mistakes for me, I wanted to show you that time to time, the light of your exteriors are changing. Yeah, this is the example. We can compare it. I'm prompting not to change the light, but it's relighting it. So as you see, this elevation is completely has the other another mood than this one, and that's quite weird. So sometimes if you see this, you can try negative prompting. Also, when you try to connect different moods, as you see, we had very different daylight on the other image, and we connected with our almost night image. It's difficult for AI to paste exactly the same without any changes, so it tries to fit to make it more natural. So yeah, that's why you will have sometimes problems with AI, because you want to connect unconnectable images, and you will need to figure out how comparable and how similar are those moods, so it will make your connection easier. And as you see, the errors in this project is very small piece of all the problems. So wish you good luck and see you in the next tutorials. And that will be all of main problems of environment changes for the single houses. But feel free to try it on the bigger projects. The scheme and the idea of it will be the same. And see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye.